Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? So today video is going very special, and this is emergency video for Chiliz holder. This is very special and informative video. Please, if you are not holder of Chiliz, then absolutely skip this video. This video is gone very informative for holders, only for holders, not for you. So Chiliz holder, let's start this brand video. This is technical analysis of Chiliz. You watching ABS Tech channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, then subscribe this channel for more this type of video, and also like if you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this is absolutely a latest price prediction of Chiliz. Absolutely a lot of holders question me to why all cryptocurrencies goes down. Absolutely Chiliz is also goes down. So why the Chiliz? What we do? This is selling time, buying time. This is absolutely a mind-blowing question and absolutely very terrible time. You can see here absolutely a negative, and the graph is going like a rocket down. So absolutely this is 24-hour result. I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour latest result, and then we decide to what's going on, what's we do. Okay guys, so let's see the last 1 hour result. It absolutely goes down. So guys, what's going on? You can see here this is 0.91% goes down. So remember this reading, absolutely this is absolutely very important. Remember this. And if you can see here the latest price is 0.4617 US dollar is the latest price of one Chiliz coin. So let's check it out the last 3 days result to what's going on, and then we decide to buy or sell it. Oh my goodness, absolutely you can see here, and the last 7 days, I think totally last 6 to 7 days, they gone down like a rocket. Absolutely they're starting dumping. You can see here this is an absolutely and minus 7.8% goes down in last 3 days. So what's you say, they can go again starting jumping? Absolutely they starting jumping. You can see here absolutely jump, but again they take a absolutely highest jump. If you can see here absolutely they gone down. And guys, when I see this type reading, you can see here the price is absolutely goes down. So I think my opinion, my expectation is absolutely very high. My opinion is that this is absolutely a buying time, not a selling time. I request you guys to please buy it. Absolutely this is good time, this is bad time for Chiliz, but I hope in upcoming days absolutely Chiliz change this reading, absolutely change this reading. They're starting jumping like a rocket. So Chiliz holder, if you are a holder and you want to buy more, then absolutely this is good time. Absolutely at the middle of this month, I hope they can give you a very good price, and they can give you $1 US. So what you say, can they give you $1 US? If I see this type of result, then I hope they can give you $1 US. You can see here absolutely very high jump. Here is absolutely very high jump. So guys, I hope they can cross it in $1 US, so they can make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. Just buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of the month. Please share your opinion, and if you want this type more informative video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Keep touch with us and also like this video. I hope you cross my 3K subscriber and 100 likes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.